Hello everybody, my name is Matti and I'm from Finland. Today in Finland
Yes.
the parliament vote about the equal right for homo to marry. And there are people who say no homo in Finland. But I say no homo. In Finland we homo. And even myself am hetero, but I wish that in Finland everyone can homo in marriage for free. And that's it. Goodbye.
For free? No. You must pay with your soul. Eternal damnation.